Now that we have our site set up, let's start driving traffic to it. And one of the best sources of instant traffic that I've been using for years is solo ad traffic. Okay, and if you don't know what solo ads are, it's basically where you pay somebody that has a list of subscribers to email their list your offer. So, for example, using the squeeze page that we have here in this video series, the weight loss squeeze page, you could pay someone to email their list, and basically they'll mention that, hey, if you want to learn how to lose 20 pounds in 10 days without dieting, go and check out this offer or check out this information. Okay, so that's the way a solo ad works, and there's solo ad networks out there where you can find people who are selling solo ads. So let's just go through those right now. The one that I've been using for years is udemy.com. They have a ratings system. Now the thing is, udemy.com is mainly for people who are in the internet marketing niche or the make money niche. Okay, another great network is Clickonomy, and this one actually includes various niches. So it includes health, self-help, and other niches in there. And I believe they also have a ratings system. Okay, another source where you can find solo ad sellers is on Facebook. You just do a search for solo ad testimonial groups, and you'll find the best solo ad sellers in those groups because you can see how their solo ads went. Okay, another source where you can find solo ads is the Warrior Forum. Just go to the classified ads section. Okay, another place you can go to is just do a Google search and just Google search the term. Just enter your niche, for example, weight loss, and then weight loss sellers or weight loss authors, weight loss coach. Basically, that anybody that's selling anything in that niche, for example, in weight loss, they probably have a list of buyers or subscribers. Okay, and lastly, another source you can go to is go to ClickBank, and that's where you can find digital products and also physical products now, and basically contact vendors in your niche and ask them if they can mail their list your offer.